Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I don't know about you, but I love trying new things, and I've always been fascinated by the art of wood carving. So I decided to try this set by Adevena. The reason why I appreciated this set is it comes in a nice carry case where all of the wood knives are nice and secure with these two bungee straps. It comes with such a huge variety of knives that you can carve out big chunks, and then you can also carve out different size grooves. You can just experiment, just get them out, start cutting, carving, see what they do. Then you can kind of get a feel for what you're going to be able to accomplish with this. We usually have my niece every Thursday night, and we try and expose her to different styles of art. She carved an outline of a dinosaur, and my husband rocked it by carving a very cool looking bear face. So I think it was just perfect for beginners. I also like that it comes with a sharpening stone right here in the middle so that you can make sure your blades are going to be as effective as possible. Not only does it have such a huge variety, but you can just zip it up and store it easily in your craft room, in your workshop, anywhere you're going to be using a set like this. And that's my point of view.